Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. West Jaintia District Mission Management Unit organizes SHG Mela Cum Health Camp. Hinyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization felicitates winners of National Bench Press Championship 2021. St. Paul's Parish Upper Shillong receives the Convention Cross of Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement. And Jaintia Students' Union donates cash to family who loses children in fire incident. And now the news in detail. The District Mission Management Unit West Jaintia, in collaboration with the Office of Block Development Officer Amlaram CNRD Block, organized a self-help group Mela Cum Health Camp for SHG members of Amlaram CNRD Block at Inowil Hall Playground, Amlaram today. The program is part of Meghalaya's attainment of 50 years of statehood to be celebrated on 21st January 2022. The SHG Mela was inaugurated by the Home Minister Lakman Rumboy. The minister, while inaugurating the Mela, said through this program, the government aims to empower women to be self-reliant and to enhance their confidence. He also encouraged the members to form more SHG groups in order to uplift the life of the women in the village. He spoke about the development in Meghalaya in its 50 years of statehood, particularly under the Amlaram subdivision. Earlier, Dr. D. Lingdo, Block Development Officer, Amlaram CNRD Block, in his welcome address, informed that there are 460 SHG under Amlaram subdivision.
Hapag amram subdivision yami ki surok chua ki san phau tali ki snem to ki nya phau san tali ki snem hanrai yui hagni ki san phau tali ki snem hagi nya phau san tali ki snem like naka kam sing waka kongwan the warro ki chnong the boy Surah. Pagi school, hapok subdivision gayam Demi ke government higher secondary school, demi government higher secondary school, demi government upper primary school kepada upgrade, cek RMSA hapok terang belang, demi ke RMSA higher secondary school hapok cek persen. Ke college hanong talang datip mit paka de kenak kaman kawi nagi nang tong tam apa ka West Jaintia wow news na o September daerah yo sutelap ye ke sorka hagi yang di ombang gimdi ye ang waduna ki telong wan yo telong ki chnong ki thao warro ki chnong ki thao de yo bam di kani to ka jingku yang ka state ki yang ka jingku yang ka ri ki yang hapo ka ji sanchar yang ka ri India hapo ka ji sanchar yang ka state ki yang kat kamte transformation hasnong ang vision yang ka tanga sin bok ruang ithi kanto ithi wasakawi ham cha yaki wan gi bro kiwa utam ithi hawako ham cha utam gi musem yang phi bat chipon gi bro le yogi.
As part of the special summary revision, special campaigns were held across the state yesterday for enrollment, corrections and deletions. It also included campaigns held in riverine polling stations of Meghalaya located along the Indo-Bangladesh border through the Port of Democracy into Amlaram subdivision, West Janta Hills district. The Deputy Commissioner of West Janta Hills and SDO Civil Amlaram led the systematic voters' education and electoral participation and election teams on the Board of Democracy to Kamsing, the smallest polling station in the state. Nyautrap Integrated Territorial Organization today felicitated the bronze medal winners and participants National Bench Press Championship 2021. The leaders of HITO said that the felicitation program is not only for expressing appreciation to the winners for bringing honor to the state, but to encourage others to join the other competition which will be organized in the future.
Ngại ngựa say lấy và là đi là smart và kalau quay cái này cần đăng và cần đăng và cái thứ ini kilong kami kari jongi bakin kambuan bakin simbentan balong lem kiwi jalan và buôn sisa kilong kami kena samla yemi sukmat ya buôn ya dan hạt sao ngất
Kalau bani kong sebab ai kejung kembali berkepang hadu tata ya ka sing halang sing teriman sembah itu kepala sim yang kini senjam ban wan sedu she airport ban wan shaw ya kini ki ya ikong angel bat ba anas bala wan ra ikanam berom ya ka jelai ka district tekembang ajuang berubah ba ka jela Meghalaya jungi kam dunashu habobon kisap agade ka pot ka tem ka roi ka sel khamdam ka kam sports haga sports su ki samla kenthe chenrang na ka jela kilong ki baklan hadu ta hande ka ek boduna mangi nga shut ong barobor ka de duna tang ka jing ai minsim ka jingai ne bat ka jing duna ha jing sham tin linti lani ha kinang ngelam dealing ba kan ni jing job wala kare kasin ban kong na benta ka jela Meghalaya bangil ya shimata ha ka national level ya kini ka powerlifting championship henry shipongut niami nang ne bat na bring shipongut artli so ilala bonra teke ai gajing kermen nang ne khmat kolong bang ni encourage ni ai minsim yo bon ki khna samla kan thei bisrang wat kirang ba ru namar hagni ka powerlifting championship umdei tangki khna saman ke berit balak mashimenta henry wat ki timen kisan kilong kmi long kharu kumangi i hang ne ke igba ai minsim tam yangi dangi poi hang tei kolong ba ka jela
St. Paul's Parish, Upper Shillong, yesterday received the Convention Cross of Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement. The Convention Cross was handed over by members of SACYM of Laban Parish to the SACYM members in the presence of parish priests, young people and parents of Upper Shillong Parish. The Convention Cross was brought all the way from Zone 6 in Riboy District last week. It was later received by Zone 1 of Meghalaya Parish in the young Catholics, parish priests and parents. Dear viewers, let us now take a short break. Welcome back. We'll continue with the remaining news. Two children belonging to Mrs. Mansuki Chalam and Mr. Junom Suna lost their lives when fire engulfed their house at Umalong in West Janta Hills. The house was engulfed by fire when the parents went to wash clothes in the nearby place adjacent to St. Aloysius Hospital at Umalong village. The father, Junom Suna, left the children in the house in order to assist his wife, Mrs. Mansuki Chalam, who was about to finish washing the clothes. The fire service immediately rushed to the spot on hearing the news, and the firemen were unable to save the house as there were no people at the time when the fire was engulfing the house.
Tu pra. Him nak ti pi dai glob dah. Hi tu pra ni dah. Tengok kelap plastik tu. Oh, tu plastik. Oh, itu. Dah. Kau kan terus. Darah, dia nak masak. Ini buku ini. Hello. Ya perlu ini. Masa có yang chơi này. Mana ada ini. Dapat air kau. Mostrar algo de Shillong, mas tem.
The Janta Students' Union today condoled to the parents of Umalong village in West Janta Hills who lost their two children in a fire incident. The two children lost their lives when the fire engulfed their house. The student body, while sympathizing with the bereaved family, also donated cash to the family. The Janta Students' Union urged the people to generously come forward to help this poor family. The The young men of Lumchirto today urged the state government to establish a fire substation in Umlong village in West Janta Hills to prevent fire incidents and burning of forests. These young men made this appeal following the death of 2 children due to the fire that engulfed their house. These young men said the lives of these children could have been saved if the fire service station was located nearby.
Ya pertujuh demi hi muksa. Yang mana kon yang kecnong, amju lo kon yang gedong, among dapat nangi kami bahai miat pok kecnong betah. Kecik siap si go daman kami ada cem di kon yang gedong kecnong ni. Daman kecik siap si go sebelah utawa. Dan MV yung in, bahwa ada cem gila ya aku kecik ibu yang dikena gedang dulu. Kita pemban go kecik tu nong kecik siap si go sebelah. Kecik ngerap kat kamaman meriyun ni, berjiak ni, kecik ngerap man go dengan yang fire service department emigo tawa wi wa sansi tawa wan mi wan por biang tawa jingai riga ke office yang kama onggi jingai riga ke office tem riga be hai por biang te do na ini jing ah kama man na yang ke youth ni khon yang chnong ke jing tepat ni rubi dia sarkar siapa ko man lele ha yang ke yang fire service department ma siapa mau bu kecing kerja sop sebentar yang fire service department po yang kecing nong abang yo suki lai di jam chnong jam thau ini kecing dia kami ni dia bun sen chen ni to man sunem da em kecing dia kami ni man do bi kecing ta ini kecing i kon yang chnong ni kon yang bi chnong ma dari tri chen kami kecing dia to kecing ai kecing yarap Meghalaya Sarkar and Fire Service Department.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.